Just a quick benchmark in a few games. All the settings are maxed without sync enabled or any frame limit set. Arma 3 averages around 64 frames and peaked upwards to 72 frames on ultra settings with visibility only at 3800. However, maxing out everything that I possibly could, Arma 3 chugged around a consistent 41 frames per second. It peaked at 44 frames per second, so it is definitely still playable maxed all the way to hell. However, the game may dip well below 40 frames if there is a high-octane fight breaking out and explosion all over the place. But to be honest, this is only a $600 build. Overwatch all the way maxed out gives out a great consistent 61 frames per second and peaks upwards to 73 frames per second. Even with a ton of stuff going on, it will stay consistently above 50 frames per second. Fortnite. Who doesn't love this game? Fortnite jumps frame a ton more than the other games but managed to pull off 89 frames per second on average while all the way maxed out. It got a triple-digit peak at 111 frames per second. In the end, you're gonna get a great experience with most games at max settings, but when it comes to AAA games like Call of Duty, well, you may have to crank your setting well below max just to average around 60 frames. Just another example, although I didn't record any footage for it. Cyberpunk 2077 averages around 60 frames if set to medium settings. Either installing a better graphics card or even a better CPU could greatly improve the performance if you are looking for a slight boost. It's important to remember that this isn't a $2,000 build. For 600 and a bit of your time, this is definitely a powerful machine. Personally, I use it for gaming, editing, and well, everything. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks.